Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jason French from DeLaval here at Fair Oaks Farms in Indiana. So this is going to be a special barn tour here today of this new robotic facility. We just had the ribbon cutting for the new educational experience that I'll give you a tour with later. But right now I'm going to give you a tour of this tremendous new barn. So as you see above me here, it's a weed cover structure. That large area right here is the visitor center over top of the robot rooms that I'll show you on another video. But right now we'll do one of how this great barn is working. Anyways, I'll just switch this around here. So interesting barn and overall ventilation as well. So they're pulling air in from the ends as well as the sides. And then also having the force fans moving air throughout this barn and this weed covered structure. So a 6-row barn with the extra alley to be a true milk first guided barn. So right at the present moment they're milking 735 cows in this facility. There's 4 different groups with 3 robots per group. Currently, they have 3 full-time equivalent people working this barn. Quite impressive, the overall labor efficiency. So, of course, sand-bedded free stalls here. So when the cows are in feed and they want to go to lay down, they go through these finger gates here into lay down. When they want to come back to feed, there is a selection gate at the far end that will show you that they have to pass through to come back to feed, which goes in for overall selection to get milked or not. So the big thing that they were looking for here at Fair Oaks is a great cow experience, and they find with robotic milking, cows are voluntarily going to the robots. They're calm, they're relaxed, and they are getting tremendous results here in this barn. So Fair Oaks Dairy is a large facility with other barns with rotaries, but they've taken their 2-year-olds and moved them over to this facility. So the cows are certainly very well used to this barn now. They've seen great results on production and milk quality. And that's why they really went with DeLaval as well, because of what we can do on the milk quality aspect of things. Once again, cows love these cow brushes. So as we get a little farther down, you can see up above all the glass windows. So this is going to be the visitor center. I'll take you on a tour with later. So people will be able to look over the herd and see the cows and overall flow, and there's some other special features. So cows will enter right in here into the selection gate. Then they will be passed on to come out back to feed again, or they go into the robot area for overall milking. Once cows are done milking, they come back out to that same common area again. Then they're going to go into this selection gate here. Then they can come into this hospital pen, or if they want to sort a cow out, just a few stalls, and then out to the feed, or then they come out to feed to go back into the general population as well. If a cow actually has come into the selection area to the robot and she tries to come out again without being milked, it'll put her back in, so then she gets the idea. But cows are flowing really well through this barn. They have a main area through here that is all their utility room. You can see it's translucent side, so it's kind of nice. They have the tanks for milk storage as well. I won't bore you with that. Let's get right into the robot room. So this is the clean access point that you use to come across. They have some good ideas for moving cows and be able to lock them in for any treatments, which I find pretty interesting here. And every time I come, there's a cow in the robot and there's a cow or two waiting. So the cows just love getting into the robots. So let's just pop into the robot room here. So once again, we have 12 robots all in this one room. The dealership here in Indiana did a tremendous job with all the stainless steel work around these robots. I'll just get to the end here and then we'll give you more of a wider view. So here is the overall robot room. So like I said before, there's 6 robots here on one side, 6 on the other, 3 per pen. They've done a really good job with milk transporting it from this room back over to the main tank area for ultimate milk quality. At the very far end, that door down there is where all the chemical storage is. And the room I'm just kind of backing into is a electrical room and office for staff as well. But just great results here at this farm. The owners, Mike McCloskey, just presented saying that it has been a real pleasure working with this barn. Their overall ability to get quality milk is what they need is happening here at Fair Oaks. So great facility, open for business. If you want to come and see the V300s working or see what this farm is for dedication to agriculture and teaching the public, is second to none. So this is video number 1. I'll take you upstairs in the next little while to show you the upstairs. Okay, take care.